Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error. In the page, if you see sorry, I can't complete response or error network, what you're going to do is, first option, you need to go to disconnect the Wi-Fi connection, turn off Wi-Fi, and then reconnect again by turning it on. Then, if you are using VPN, you need to disable your VPN, then click Reconnect Response. All you have to do is wait for a few seconds or minutes to change. But please, be reminded not click the Stop Reconnecting option on your VPN. Then, go to the bottom of the left side, click the Log Out. Then, go to Log In again. Next, type your account or another account. Then, if you are on your ChatGPT homepage, after it loads, then you can see on your screen that you can now ready to use your ChatGPT. So enjoy your moment. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you again.